ये बड़ा पर्सनल सा सवाल है प्रोफेसर साहब से कि सर अल्लाह हैज़ गिवन यू द नॉलेज एंड इल्म ऑफ वर्ड्स, so you know the Quran much better than your contemporaries and previous ulemas. My question is, why don't you write a tafsir in Urdu?
गाजिर आज़ाद दोनों ही क्लेम सही नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ट्रू दैट आई नो बेटर देन ऑल अदर पीपल, बल्कि मैं समझता हूँ मुझसे बहुत अच्छे हदीस जानने वाले मौजूद हैं, मुझसे बहुत अच्छे कुरान को समझने वाले मौजूद हैं. एंड आई फील लाइक यू वांट मी टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश. So I don't think I agree with this kind of a thing. There are many people who know better hadith than me. There are those who are more well read in the Quran, in the book and ayah. Is the question is the same as somebody asked Ali Karamallah Wajhu, and people asked him, do you have some extra Quran? Because it's known that you are a greater scholar and a greater knowledgeable personality than all others in the understanding of religion. He said, no, I swear by my Allah, every word, every sentence is the same as you do recite. But the difference is that Allah has given me a different understanding. And here I must tell you that the knowledge I have is singular. It does not exist with anybody else on the earth. And this is my main problem. This is not a claim. This is my main problem. That I have to sort out its principle myself, number one. Secondly, all the interpretations of the Asma are done by myself and nobody else. So, thirdly, if I had somebody else who would differ on the interpretations of those subjects, Asma and all that, then I cannot write a tafsir of God where I would say that this, I can say that this is what I understood, but I cannot definitely say that these are exactly the meanings of the words I claim to be, because Allah knows His secret better. But there was one more person in the past who claimed to know this, Shaykh Mahyuddin Ibn Arabi, but there was no demonstration of that art of knowledge from him. And with me, I think people who know me, they know, and everybody knows around me, that this knowledge of Asma is exhibited on everybody very frequently, and almost every day, every single hour, whenever somebody meets me in the street or in the drawing room. But the problem, as I again said, being the only specialist of this knowledge, I cannot communicate to others the same background of knowledgeability, understanding. I can write laws, and I've been telling and talking about these laws to many people, to my students, but unluckily, I don't know, my students are not unintelligent. They are very, very intelligent, but perhaps their intentions for the same knowledge are still not very mature, because I use this bit of knowledge just to understand and help my other fellow human beings.